The mule is, you know, the last person of the chain, the last of the last of the last. I was in Colombia, in Medellin, when I was young. I know very well that last period at school family, my clients really, and I saw the recruiting of the mules. I saw with my eyes. The minimum chain is composed by 4 subjects, at least. At least. In general, there is the cartel, the transporter, the vector, the buyer, and the pusher. That's it. Michaella or other person, it's a simple little number. It's a simple little number among a huge turnover. That's it. That's it.
And so roughly what is that turnover? Like how much is the cocaine business in Ibiza worth?
Ibiza was 3-4 months per year, very strongly. But I can tell you that I think that we're talking about at least 300,000-400,000 euros per day. From that to 500,000. And it's a serious business, really, not so little. I cannot talk directly about Michaella case, but in reality, the person giving 12 kilos to Michaella knows that he can lose this 12 kilos and he doesn't care about losing or not to lose. It's like a Volkswagen or Citroën, they know they have some losses per year. It's, you know, the predicted losses of an enterprise. Pablo Escobar, he received $80 million per day. $80 million per day. It's a lot of money, really. So, you know, and many times the cartels want that the mule is arrested. This is the truth. Seriously, let's tell the truth. They prepare police because in the same time they are passing through 300 kilo in the same plane, you know. This is one of the classical game. This is called chivaton in Spanish. Chivaton is like the bird singing, chivaton, you know. And they call the police, they're telling, okay, there is a lady with some drugs passing by. At the same time, 3 guys are making exit 300 kilo and 400 kilos of drug. It's very common. This is not Oxford or Cambridge, you know, and so what you can expect. Is she threatened? Of course she is. They are very tricky. They are very tricky. Cartels are very, very, very tricky. Shut up. Keep the mouth shut. That's the standard. I don't know what happened in the Michaella case, but in general, I can tell you that the cartels know also the family and the friends of the mule. So they know who's the mule, of course, but they let understand mule that something wrong can happen to the family if she speaks in case of arrest. If you give to the police any kind of tricky thing, you know, what kind of problem they can get in with that conduct? It's very dangerous. It's very not, you know, nice to tell, but it's the reality. I want to be clear. People that move fastly, they die very fastly also. If I'm a member of a cartel and I want to kill or do something wrong against Michaella, I can do it in 3 seconds. And I can tell you more. It's not necessary that I hire a carrier to kill her. Maybe police can kill her. I'm sorry about that, but it's the reality. If we are talking about drug and drug trafficking and the trade of the drugs, you understand that have mercy. You don't need to have mercy. You need to understand our world is a very, very, very tough place in general. To kill a person is a business of 2-3 seconds. You can hire a sicario in a Peruvian jail, and they can kill her. They can even, strangle the woman and nobody has seen anything in the night, or given some poison. In Colombia and Peru, they have this buruchanga. This is like a drug, it's a few grams of things, they put it in a Coca-Cola, in a glass of water, you're dead. So imagine what kind of threat can receive Michaella. If you legalize the cocaine, you destroy a market, but nobody wants to do so. Cartel don't want legalization because they want the prices high. They want to earn money. All the cartels help the political campaigns of politicians that fight the drugs. The money has a very strange effect. Many of these lawyers, they are more bandits than the clients, promise families something that they can't. They say a lot of lies. They say, well, I know the judge, I can pay some bribe, give me the money. They are very tricky and dangerous.